First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type the following command, then press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 1111. In alternate DNS type, 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection. Press Run Troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Press Try these repairs as administrator. Wait for your connection to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. Press Close the troubleshooter. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed.